Hi everybody, yeah, I'm Eddie. This is the second time I've actually come on the course because I actually did it a few months ago, but I've been away in Malaysia for a while and I came back, and luckily this worked out really well for me because they were doing the course and I was able to come back. And since I'd already paid for the course previously, it means that I can come back and do it again, which is really, really good because here they do update a lot of stuff. And as you know, technology changes fast, Facebook changes, ClickFunnels, things change a lot. So in order to sort of keep up to date, it's really great that this course is still going. So that's the good news. The only thing that I was a little frazzled about is there is a huge amount of data to take in. So it's really good if you can actually sit down and get some implementation with people like Chloe, who's very good at helping in set up things like ClickFunnels and also Facebook ads. I mean, the whole course is very, very comprehensive. But it does mean you've got to do quite a bit of work. So I really feel that when people put in so much effort to make people successful, that we owe it to them to actually really get off our bottoms and do the work. I hope you do. Take care. Bye-bye.